Today, we're going to do half-up hairstyle. Let's make our crowning glory prettier. Ready? For this hairstyle, we will be using two Hairfix products for our hair. First is the collagen peptide with castor oil that has 4-in-1 extracts that can help volumize our hair and detoxify it. Second is our Strong Hold Hairspray, which will hold our hairstyle up to 24 hours. Then, we have the other tools needed, a clamp, rat tail comb, and a hair tie.
The tender loving care, long, short, straight, or wavy hair, dapat lagi healthy. Huwag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes, feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes, no tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, 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 get.
So that's how you make an easy DIY half-up hairstyle with the help of Hairfix Keratin Strong Hold Hairspray and Hairfix Collagen Peptide and Castor Oil Leave-On Hairspray. Don't forget to follow and tag Hairfix at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for you to be ready to wear your crowning glory. You can also enjoy up to 50% discount on your favorite Hairfix products. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now!